Attention, Longhorn.
We're gonna do squeakers because people ask for the squeakers.
ISIS, the zip key at the podium, please. ISIS, the zip key. Thank you.
Oh, we got ISIS in the building. All right. Dude, my forehead is sweating like nobody's business right now.
5 cents?
Yeah, let's do 5 cent.
Squeaker!
All right. Ren slots with the squeakers in the chat.
There it is.
Do it. Squeakers!
4 squeakers!
4 squeakers. We should have started with more.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Here, I'm gonna zoom in, guys. I'm gonna zoom in. How's that for a picture?
I thought we were gonna get a squeaker. Oh no! Pearl! Squeaker!
Come on, squeakers.
Here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Fish!
Oh, I thought it was gonna land on the end. The wild's on the end.
That's all right. We'll get it. We're gonna get the pearl.
Let's do it.
Oh,
That was all right, squeakers.
big old turd.
Big old turd. Give me a second, I'm readjusting. Oh,
My bad.
get more of a full frontal look at the squeakers. Oh, back to back. Back to back.
We'll take it.
Dude, my forehead is so hot.
Well, it's bringing luck, so if we get a full screen, then we'll auction off that sticker on his forehead.
Yeah, my forehead is just like, you guys will have my sweat with the sticker, man.
DNA of a-
If we hit the grand here, we will auction to charity the money.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do it.
stick one. Hold up a second, D. Guys, I'm terrible at this. My bad. The grand is 20K. Double the 10K of the slot lizards. Let's do it.
Oh, the major went by. One more.
Yeah, 150 bucks. Or no,
we're at
75 bucks.
Yeah. Oh. One more.
Dude, I'd love to get a grand on a 375 bet. Come on, do it. Stick one. Save it.
One more.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting spicy.
There it is. Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
Stick one.
Just do it. One time.
Ah, darn it. I mean, that is a pretty big win for a 375 bet, man. Oh, bumped it up to 625. Oh, back to back to back almost. Holy moly, Rocky. So I've got a question for you guys out there. Our views are going up right now on Lightning Link playing Magic Pearl, but nobody watches the videos on YouTube. Like
Of
when
Magic
we put,
Pearl,
of
yeah.
Magic Pearl, we have some great wins of the Magic Pearl, and nobody watches them. It's crazy. And we love the squeakers.
$5 bets, guys.
We'll move them up. We'll bump them up here in a bit.
Oh, blocker.
Is your drink?
No.
No.
Thank you for asking, though.
There we go.
Do it.
Oh.
Oh, they all went by. Yeah, I'm talking about our videos when we don't have live streams. They're just the videos of the lightning links.
Come on, Pearl.
Uh-oh, Cap Morgan says his suggestion is we should be doing max bet on 5-set denom. He's been pretty good so far. He hasn't been too bad. But Cap Morgan, he says a lot of things. So
Well, we're gonna try a few.
yeah. He's pretty demanding. That's okay. We love you. Yeah, gambling in Texas is interesting.
Come on now. Oh, you.
Ah, double pearl blockers.
Dolphin.
Ah, you're not demanding, Captain Morgan.
Where's the
You just
thing?
got your style. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, I've never seen a 25,000 ball like that. Squeak!
It went by.
I'm just teasing you, Captain Morgan. We love you, man.
Yeah, of course. You gotta get your address. You want some?
Yeah.
You want those stickers?
Yeah. Connect with us on Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh, do it! No!
Wow.
All right, let's switch it up. Ah, dude, no.
Why?
No.
Oh, really?
I do. I feel it. Come on. $25 max bet, guys. Come on. Come on, Squeakers. Oh! Ah, Squeakers. Cap Morgan says, let's go.
Oh,
Come on, Squeakers.
Do it again.
Ah, come on, buddy.
Come on.
Ah,
Bring your friends.
bring your friends,
Bring
buddy.
the pod.
Hold up. Maybe the sticker in the middle. Squeakers in the middle. Oh no.
No, over
No,
here.
Squeaker's not working.
You got to get them to come out in the front.
Come
on
on. Last two spins, possibly. Oh no.
Yeah, this is causing problems.
Come on, guys. Last chance winner.
Oh,
Absolutely nothing.
Man, that was 484.
Yeah, we're not doing any more in this one.
No.
What are you thinking?
No, it's not feeling good. Eyes of Fortune? Sure.
You guys, let's do some Eyes of Fortune.
We're just gonna move over.
Let's see if we can hit this one.
All right, give us a moment. I gotta get me out.
Oh, thank you so much, Ashley. Positive vibes always. Positive vibes always, guys.
Oh no. Didn't like that 100. I hope she gave me all new ones.
What is this? Why isn't
I
this
don't know.
machine not taking anything?
I don't know if this bill reader's bad on this one. It's always been. Okay, I took that one.
No. Here, give me that second. I'll put it over here.
Yeah.
Here, give us a second here, guys.
Yeah, we're just gonna load on the Pearl and then move the.
Oh, thanks, 420 unscripted. Awesome.
Yeah,
For some reason, the bill reader's not working. I'm hoping it accepts ticket.
Oh, hang on. I gotta get this last 100 in, and then we'll cash it out.
No, I know that. We're putting the bills in the machine next to it, and then going to see if the $300 ticket, the voucher works.
Yep, here we go.
Come on now, don't.
Take it.
Eyes of Fortune. Oh, dude, is this bill reader? What is going on with this reader? What the heck?
I think I need to put it in perfectly straight. Apparently it needs that.
What the F is going on here?
Okay, it's gonna do it. Nope.
The bill reader just something happened to it. I don't know what happened to it. Should we do Wonder for a Boost?
I don't know.
Or what's on the other side? Sahara Gold, or should we do Happy Lantern? You want to come back to Dragon Riches again?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
All right, D's going for Dragon Riches again.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we'll do it. We're gonna go 5 set.
We're back where we originally almost started.
All right, we're gonna.
All
Turn
right.
it up.
Hold up.
What's up?
Sticker.
Oh, it's on the.
Oh, dirty.
He's grabbing the sticker right now. Oh no! Again.
Well, there we go.
All right. Warming it up. Let's get some discs or orbs.
Oh, who got the $700 major yesterday? Lala loves slots. I got the 700 major on this yesterday on this slot. That's awesome.
On this one?
Is it the one here in the Longhorn or just
Yeah.
the specific machine you're saying?
Yeah, because if it is, we're moving. We're not pumping and dumping, you know?
Pumping and dumping.
Okay, dude.
Oh, you push it. Oh, look at that!
Oh, man.
Oh, you still have my license, right?
Yep, I still have it. I'll bring it back, I promise.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Oh, $1,000.
Here you go. I already signed this.
$1,000. What a win. Oh.
Here we go!
Amazing. $1,000 win on drums. That's awesome. Do it.
Oh, you changed it to 10?
Yeah.
Oh. Why? What was up?
I like 10, said Dina.
Orb!
Wow, that's a double whammy.
Come on now.
Oh my goodness. He's going for it. No. Oh.
We're gonna get the orbs. Man, those are big.
Wow, Vicky.
Oh, look at that.
Vicky just hit the drums explosion, the grand for 11,000. Congrats to Vicky. Everybody
Look at
give
that.
her
160.
give a thumbs up to
Yeah.
Vicky. Michelle, thank you so much for the good luck wishes and the congrats on hitting 10K.
Look at that.
Well, you go to sleep, Michelle. That's all right. You can watch the remainder in the morning.
Orb.
Oh, come on. Eddie, we already did Mighty Cash. We hit a hand pay on it. Oh, come on now. Oh, come on.
Oh, it's $100. Look at those happy pigs.
Those little chunky monkey
I
piggies.
love them.
Come on now, D. Positive energy. Thank you so much, Vicky. We appreciate that you watch and just appreciate everybody out there.
Oh, I'm selecting it. Oh, the sticker.
Come on, let's hit it. Do it! Do it! Yeah! Yeah, buddy!
Four to us.
Yeah, buddy, hold up, hold up. Hey, everybody, hit that thumbs up button. Wait, where is it? There it is.
Crooked.
I'm crooked? You're crooked.
Well, I meant the camera's crooked.
I'm not
All right.
crooked, you're crooked. Hold up.
Here we go.
Oh, it is crooked. What are you doing? All right, let's go. Come on,
Dragon.
dragon.
Oh, no. We're going to let it play. We're going to let it play. We're not pushing it.
Oh, no!
Oh, that was so close. I was hoping that orb was a dragon. Oh, baby.
Oh, Captain Morgan just said don't touch it.
No.
Come on, coins, something. Coins!
All it takes is one.
Yeah! Retrigger!
Oh! Look at those dragons. Go Dragons.
Just let it go, let it
Oh,
go.
I'm letting it go. I haven't touched anything. Look at that thing. All right. Come on now.
Let's do it.
Oh, this is going forever.
Let it go.
All right.
Double retrigger. 18 free games. Double retrigger! No! Oh, so close, so close. Oh, man.
All right. Here's your ID.
Okay.
Here's your paper.
Ah. We're getting our hand pay in the background here, guys.
Yeah. So this is good. Hang on.
Here, put all your stuff away first, kid, so you don't.
Yeah.
No, you aren't. Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna get our hand pay real quick here. We're gonna let this count.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, you go. Do it. Go ahead.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
and 38 cents.
All right. Hang tight. I gotta go.
Oh, we gotta get tip money here. Hold on a second, guys.
Here's this part of it. And then I know I got.
Oh, come on.
What's this?
Let's do it.
Thank you.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh!
Da 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 da. Captain Morgan was right. Ba 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 ba. What? Yeah!
You know it. Look at that cat.
Ciao!
Hey.
Look at that little piggy. Ka-chow!
That's right. Yeah. So, here you go. Well, you'll just have to hang around.
Yeah.
We're just gonna
Ba
play
ba
out.
ba 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 ba.
All right. This is intense,
Ba ba ba
guys.
ba 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 ba.
Wow. This is insane tonight. It was an impromptu live stream.
Wow, is it gonna be over $2,000?
Is it? Oh my goodness. Check it out.
Wow! Last
Wow.
chance spin hand pay winner. Come on, let's do one more.
Dragons again.
Oh, I thought I was gonna do it.
Yeah, so did I.
Do it! Oh man,
It's okay, it's okay.
do it! Ow! $2,000. Oh, this one has no music.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's bad. It just doesn't
Sorry, I'm not as good as NG.
Oh, you broke the machine.